Next, what I want is this element has to be 0. Now this element has to be 0 means what? R3, because in this matrix we have to make it as an identity. This element also has to be 0. This also element has to be 0. Okay, and this element has to be positive 1. So what I'm going to do is R2, first I'm changing R2. R2 I am multiplying with -1, you can say, or R2 I am changing to minus of R2. So what it will become? 125 as it is, 019 012, and this will become what? 100 as it is. This I am multiplying with minus, so this will become 1 by 3 0 1 by 3. Just see till here. Any doubt? There should not be any doubt till here. Just see all the steps once again, because then I'll proceed. And I have told you this element I have to make 0, this element also I have to make as 0. Till here I don't think so any problem should be there. So now see which pattern I am following. First these two elements I am making 0, then these two elements I am making 0. Okay, so let us make now. Now this is row 1, row 1 I am changing. With which element we have to change? Row 2 elements we have to use. Now if I will multiply this number with 2 and if I'll subtract in row 1, it will become 0. 2 ones are 2. 2 minus 2, 0. Okay. And if row 3 may I will subtract row 2, 1 minus 1 will become 0. So this operation I'll apply here. Now if I'll multiply row 2, I have to multiply with 2. 2 zeros, 0. 2 minus 2, 5 as it is. First we will take the element of R1, then we will take the minus sign, and then we will twice multiply of 9. Okay, 0 1 9 as it is. Now again I am changing R3 also. R3 may what I am doing? These elements I am just subtracting. Okay, so what? 0 minus 0 as it is, 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 9. Okay, same operations I have to apply here. Now let me change. Row 1 is getting changed with, if I'll multiply this element with 2 and I have to subtract here, 2 2s are 4, 2 minus 1s are minus 2. I have to subtract here, minus minus will become plus, and 0 plus 0. Now second row as it is, 2 minus 1 0 as it is. Row 3, these elements I have to subtract here. That means 1 by 3 minus 2, 0 minus minus plus 1, 1 by 3 minus 0. Okay. So now simplify it. 1 minus 0 is 1, 2 minus 2 is 0, 5 minus this is minus 13. 0 1 9 0 0 minus 7. On the right side we will simplify now. This will become minus 3, 1 minus 4, 2, and 0 plus 0 is 0. 2 minus 1 0 as it is. 1 by 3 minus 2 is, we have to take the LCM. So it will become minus 5 by 3. 0 plus 1 is 1, and this will become only 1 by 2. And into A as it is. Minus 3, 2. 2 minus 1, 0. Minus 5 by 3, 1. 1 by 2. Note till here. I'll give you time. Now see, what we have to do is, now we have to make this element as 1, others as 0. Okay, this is my main aim. So accordingly, I'll use the transformation. Note it. Then I'll explain, and I'll explain once more. The only thing you have to do is, you have to make this matrix as identity. Whatever the transformation you are applying here, same you have to apply here. That's it. The main aim is this one. And every time you proceed like this only. Make these two elements 0, these two elements 0, and these two elements 0. Quickly note. I hope you have also noted down your previous notes also. If slides were moved quickly, because this is the recorded class, no? So you can view it once again also. Once means what? You can view it anytime whenever you feel so. So that's why uh, we skipped the written part. But now onwards, try to write it and complete it here only. All right, that you can complete later on also. 1 0 minus 13. Now the last step is 1 0 minus 13. 0 1 9 0 0 minus 7. And this matrix was minus 3 2 0, 2 minus 1 0, 5 by 3 with minus sign, 1 1 by 3, 1 1 by 3. Now what I am doing here is, I have to make this element as 1. Now if I'll divide this element as if I'll divide it with minus 7 only, minus 7 by minus 7, what it will become? 1 only. Okay. So R3 I am changing as divided with minus 7 only. So what it will become now? 1 0 minus 13, 0 1 9, 0 divided by minus 7, 0, 0 divided by minus 7, 0, and minus 7 divided by minus 7 will become 1. So here also I will do the same thing. 2 minus 1 0. Row 1 and row 2 I am not changing, so I am writing it directly only. Minus 5, and this will become minus of 7. 1 divided by minus 7, and this will become 1 by 3 into 1. These are the elements or transformations I am applying. Now this will become what? 1 0 minus 13 as it is, 0 0 1 9 as it is, 0 0 1 minus 3 2 0 as it is, 2 minus 1 0 as it is, minus minus cancel, 5 by 3 into 7 is 3 sevens are 21, minus 1 by 7, and this will become minus 1 by 21 into 8. I hope till here everything is clear to everyone. Now the main aim is to make this 0 and this 0. What I can do is row 3 ko if I'll multiply with 9, 9 ones are 9. Here I can subtract. If I'll multiply this with 13, it will become 13. 13 minus 13, it will become 0. Okay. So now which operations I am going to apply? R2 I am changing. How I am changing? If I'll multiply row 3 with 9 and I am subtracting. Row 1 I am changing. How I am changing? If I'll add row 3 with the multiplication of number 30. This I'll multiply with 13. Here I will add minus 13 plus 13, 0. This will become 9. If I'll multiply with 9, 9 minus 9, 0. So same thing. Let me write now whatever the operations I have applied. Now see, R1 right now, R3 is as it is, 0, 0, 1. R2 is getting 0 minus 9, no, 0 minus 0, because 0 into 9, 0. 1 minus 0 and 9 minus 9. R1 how I am changing? Multiply it with 13, multiply it with 13 minus 13 plus 13. These are the operations I have applied. Same ways, same operations I have to apply here. Now this is little lengthy ones. Row 3 I am keeping as it is, 5 by 21. Let me make it a bigger one, bigger matrix, because now denominators are also there. This is 5 by 21, third row. Third row I am not changing, that is why I am keeping it as it is. Okay, third row as it is. Now only row 1 and row 2 is getting changed. So that we will see now how row 2 number is 2 minus 9 5s are 45 by 21. What I have done? I have multiplied this number with 9 and I have subtracted in this element. Okay, so what it will become? This will become 42. 21 2s are 42. 42 minus 45 is minus 3 by 21. If I simplify, it will become 42 minus 45. If I'll write, it will become minus 3 by 21. That element I have written here. It's longer calculation, that is why I'm doing it separately now. That you also can do it. Now, the number is now minus 1. What I have to do is multiply this number with 9. So if you will multiply, it will become minus 9 by 7. Now what you have to do is subtraction. Subtraction. Minus minus will become plus. Now 7, take the LCM, plus 9 by 7. So it will become 2 by 7. So this element is nothing but 2 by 7. Okay. I hope it is clear till here. Yes, we can cancel this also. This will become what? Minus 1 by 7. Okay, in your books, if it will be written as minus 1 by 7, so don't get confused. Okay, we can write it as minus 1 by 7 also, no issue. Try to change the third element yourself once. Now, third element is what? 0 minus, now I have to multiply this number with 9. This number will become what? 9 by 21. Okay, minus minus will become plus. It will become 9 by 21. Okay, 9 by 21, if you will cancel, it will become what? 3 by 7. So you can write 3 by 7 also. If you want to change it, you can change it to minus 1 by 7. No issue. You can keep that also, you can keep this also, no issues. Minus 1 by 7, 2 by 7 and 3 by 7. Okay. Now let me do the next R1 we have to change. R1 means what? First element I will take off R1 plus 13 times of R3. 13 times of this R3 elements. Okay. So 13 fives are 65 by 21 as it is. Alright. Now 21 threes are, if you will do, what it will become? 63 minus 63 plus 65 divided by 21. What it will become? 2 by 21. So write this again. 2 by 21. Same ways, this element I have to change now, with which operation? Plus of 13 times of this element. 13 times will become what? 13 ones are 13 by 7. 7 twos are 14. 14 minus 13 by 7, it will become 1 by 7. Now this number I have to change. 0 plus 13 times of this element. So what it will become? Minus 13 by 21. Minus 13 by 21. All right. So let me change it now. Now this will become 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Now the left side is already identity matrix have come. And whatever the matrix have come on the right side, this full matrix is your A inverse. So I'm writing it, where A inverse is minus 2 by 21, 2 by 21, 1 by 7 minus 13 by 21, minus 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 5 by 21, minus 1 and minus 1 by 2. This is the matrix. So just write it once, then I'll explain it once more. from the beginning. Write it, then I'll explain once more. Quickly. Elementary row transformations I have applied. Why we have applied? We have to find the inverse. Okay. How we will start? A equals to IA, we will start like this. A, write it as it is, whatever the question is given to you. I, you write here as whichever the order is given to you, that particular identity matrix you will write. And this A don't change. Written this step. Next slide. First write left part, then write right part. This matrix I have to make as identity. Whatever the operations I'll apply here, those operations I have to, I mean transformations I have to apply that side also, on the right side. Same transformations we have to apply. So as I said, make this as 0 zeros first. It will be easy for you. Now on the right side, I hope you have written left side, quickly write it. Right side, next slide. Those who have skipped any step, they can view the video once again and they can, I mean, complete their notes. Then write these. Left side first, right side later on. This was taking little calculation, so I have written separately. I did not write in the matrix only. If you want, you can write it in the matrix only. Because the thing is, yeah, grown up people know. No need to show this calculation, but I have to make you understand. You don't have to make anyone understand, no? You too can write directly as well. Quickly, in your material, no, they have given one characteristics equations also. But what we have to do is first we have to finish the concept of determinants. Then I'll start with that topic. That is related to determinants also. So that's why I'll do it later. This is the last slide for this particular question. See, I was making you understand the question, no? So it takes little lengthy calculations or more steps, but you too can do it in your minds also, few things, few steps. So you won't be needing much of time as well. You won't be needing much of paper as well. Paper means space. Next question. Sorry, next topic I am starting today is determinants. Determine. Now matrices and determinants is full one chapter. Okay, so determinants I'm starting, this topic I'm starting, and on the basis of that, whatever the things will come, that will I'll explain to you, and you have to understand. Now determinant is what? Whatever the matrix is given, whatever the matrix is given, now I'll tell you how to find the determinant of one matrix. Suppose right now I'm starting with a 2 cross 2 matrix. One matrix, if I'm giving you as 1, 3, minus 4, or I'll take as 4 only, plus 4. Right now I'm taking positive numbers only. 4 and 60. Suppose. Suppose these numbers I have taken. 2 cross 2 matrix I'm taking. Okay. Now how to find the determinant? Always diagonally multiply. Okay. First number and this number and this number. Okay. Diagonally multiply. That means 1 into 16 and 3 into 4. These 4 numbers I have multiplied like this. Now whatever the numbers are there, do it with the minus. What is the step? Diagonally multiply with minus sign in between. Diagonally multiply, minus sign in between. Okay, cross. Diagonally multiply and minus sign in between. Okay, so 1/16s are 16, 3/4s are 12. So determinant of this matrix is nothing but 4. Okay, more examples we'll take now. Suppose if I have to now see, earlier so I wrote the matrix only. Now determinant of matrix, how we say? Determinant. For determinant we write this 2 vertical lines only. Okay, matrix is written in this form. This is the determinant, that's why I have changed the lines. Okay, determinant is written in the form of 2 vertical lines. Matrix is written in this bracket kind of. Okay, suppose one more I am taking. -2, 5, 7 and 9. Suppose. So now we have to find the determinant. For determinant, I am writing this 2 vertical lines. See, this was the matrix given, and this is the way to write the determinant. Now, as I said, diagonally multiply and minus. Diagonally multiply means -2 will be multiplied with 9. 5 will be multiplied with 7 with the minus sign in between. Minus 2 nines are -18. Minus sign as it is. 7 fives are 35. So when you will simplify, it will come out to be -53. Determinant can take the negative value also. This does not mean that I am taking the modulus. No, this is not modulus. Okay, few people get confused, like this is a modulus, so we have to write this as a positive value. No. Okay, this is not a modulus. So what we have to do is diagonally multiply minus. That's it. Determinant can be negative also. Now this is a 2 cross 2. We'll do with the 3 cross 3 also. Note it down quickly first. Yes, diagonally multiply and subtract. Next, if I take any, see, I'll not give you much time for writing in the class, that you can write it later on also. You can see the video once again and you can write it later on also. Why to waste the time here? Okay, here we are here to learn something. Notes are there with you, like recorded videos are there with you. You can copy it later on also. Suppose now I'm giving you 3 cross 3 matrix. 1, 5, 2, 3, 1, 9, 6, 6, 2. Suppose this 3 cross 3 matrix. Random numbers are taken. Now what we have to do in 3 cross 3, if we have to find its determinant, suppose this is A, we will ask determinant of A. Determinant means two vertical lines. This is the representation. Now how we'll find? Only expand through either first column. You can expand through first column, second column, third column, first row, second column, third column also. Anyways, you can expand. But easy way, or where maximum number of zeros are there, no, expand through that particular row or that particular column. What I'm saying, that I'm telling you now. See, now zeros are not there. First case so gone, which I said. First plus minus plus minus plus minus plus minus plus. Alternatively, I have taken. Okay. So I'm erasing this now because I'll expand only through the first row only. Okay. I'll expand through first row only. Now what? Tomorrow I'll explain you how we expand through columns also. I'll explain you. Now first number as it is with plus sign. Plus 1 as it is. In this row it is line. In this column it is line. Leave these numbers, 5 numbers. Now which numbers are left? These 4 numbers are left. Take its determinant. 1962. Now minus 5. Because with 5 we have to take minus sign. Now let me erase this once. It is 2 only. It is 1. 1. Okay. Now 5 is in which row? First row, leave that. Second column, leave that. Okay. Which numbers are left? First row and second column. These are which numbers are left? 3962. These numbers left now, that I'll write there. 3962. These numbers were left. Now with 2, I'll take the plus sign. Okay. Now 2 lies in which row? This row, leave that. This column, leave that. Which numbers are left? 3166. Okay. Now I'll write those. 3166. Now what is the aim? That I'm telling you now. Always give them the sign, alternate sign, plus minus plus. Which row it is lying? Leave that. Which column it is lying? Leave that. Other four numbers take its determinant. Now simplify this. Determinant, cross multiply, minus sign. 1 2s are 2, 9 6 are 54 with minus sign. Outside minus 5 as it is. Again, 3 2s are 6, 9 6 are 54 with minus sign. Determinant I am opening. This plus 2 as it is. 6 3s are 18, 6 1s are 6 with minus sign. I hope till here I am clear to everyone. Now simplify this. What it will become? 2 minus 54 minus 52. Minus 52 ones are minus 52. This will become what? Minus 5. This will become minus 48. 6 minus 54 is minus 48. This will become what? 2 into 18 minus 6 is 12. So again simplify. Minus 52. Minus minus will become plus. Bodmer's rule. First we have to multiply these two things. Now 5 is a 40. It will become 240. 12 twos are 24. Alright. Minus 52 as it is. This if I'll add, it will become 264. 264 minus 52 is 21. This is the answer. This is the determinant of this matrix. What we have done, which row, which column it is lying, remaining numbers will take the determinant, then we will solve. Note it. Plus minus multiplications, that you have to do it. No, only these things are there in determinant. How to find the determinant, that we have done. Tomorrow we'll do more questions on this basis, so you will understand more. But today I've just given you the glimpse. Actually what happens every day, whenever the last timings are there, I'm starting with the new concept. So tomorrow I'll do the more questions on this basis, then you'll understand more. And today do one thing, just go through with that inverse wala concept once again. See the video once again and get through with that concept. So I hope today's class is clear to everyone. Today we have done the inverse, how to find the inverse using the row transformations, and then we have done how to find the determinant. This we have done determinant of 2 cross 2 matrices, and this is the determinant of 3 cross 3 matrix. 3 cross 3 may we have to assign first plus minus sign we have to assign alternatively, and then we have to remove that row, remove that column, remaining 4 numbers, find the determinant. So I hope today's class is clear. See the class once again, understand the concepts. Tomorrow we'll come with the fresh minds. Bye guys, thank you so much.